Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video is how to import contact to Gmail on mobile. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. You can easily import contacts to your Gmail account on your mobile device using these steps. So first thing you're gonna do is open the Gmail app. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Then from the menu, scroll down and select Contacts. In the contact screen, tap on the plus sign in the bottom right corner of the screen to add new contact. Now, enter the contact's information such as their name, phone number, email address, then tap on Save button to save the contact. You can repeat the steps for each contacts you wish to import to your Gmail account. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!